I'll walk you through a real example where I use these powerful indicators to take a trade and make a profit. So let's get started.
Just like that?
Yes.
To get started with this strategy, you'll need to add two indicators on TradingView. First, open TradingView and go to the indicator section at the top of your screen. In the search bar, type Hull Suite and select the indicator created by InSilico. Next, you'll need to add the second indicator. Type half trend in the search bar. Make sure you don't add any spaces and choose the one by Everget. Once both indicators are added, go back to your chart. The Hull Suite indicator is a highly responsive and smooth moving average developed in 2005 and still widely used by professional traders today. Its design minimizes lag while providing a clearer and faster view of market trends, making it an invaluable tool in any trading strategy. The second indicator, half trend, is another popular trend indicator based on the average true range, ATR. To optimize this indicator, go to the half trend settings, navigate to the style section, and uncheck these boxes you see here to clean up your chart. Now that we know what both indicators do, it's important to understand how to use them effectively. Simply adding them won't be enough. You need to know the strategy behind them. So, I'll walk you through a real example where I use these powerful indicators to take a trade and make a profit. Keep watching, and let's turn this knowledge into some real gains. When to buy, the first step to take for a long position is by waiting for an arrow to appear on your chart. This signals a potential trade opportunity. Once you see the arrow, check that the price is above the Hull Suite indicator line. Next, confirm that the ribbon of the Hull Suite is green. This indicates a bullish trend, so you're good to take the trade. When I took this trade, you can see that the arrow appeared, but the ribbon was red at first. So I waited patiently until the ribbon turned green, signaling a stronger buy condition. I entered the trade when these green candle closes. For risk management, I set my stop loss at the ATR levels, ensuring it was placed at a sensible distance to avoid getting stopped out prematurely. I aimed for a profit target at a 1.2 risk-to-reward ratio. This trade ended up being profitable. Once I perfected my setup, I jumped into my broker account and placed the trade. I've been using this broker since I started trading, and it's been smooth sailing. You can deposit and withdraw directly with crypto. KYC is super quick, so check it out. Direct link in the description. Now, this was the first trade I took, and you see here I took 2 trades at a time. As you see the first trade, it almost hit my stop loss, but it doesn't. After a few hours, another setup was made, so I opened another order and it as a profit, as you can see it here. As you can see here, I achieved a profit from the trades. However, when it comes to opening or taking short positions, this strategy hasn't been as effective. While there haven't been significant losses, I recommend avoiding short trades with this strategy. Instead, I've developed another strategy that offers a much better risk-to-reward ratio of 1 to 5.